Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my daily chart trend analysis. So, I want to quickly review yesterday. Like yesterday, we were the chart, the market was here yesterday. The market price level was here yesterday. It was here yesterday. So, I can remember vividly when I told you that this showing us that the market is downtrend. So today now is the 19th, so you can see what has actually happened in the market. That the market has really go towards our prediction yesterday. So I did not tell you that the prediction is perfect, but the analysis, the trend line that I drawn and I showed you yesterday was perfect. This was it. This is what I draw for you yesterday. This is what I draw for you yesterday. This line. This is what I draw for you yesterday. So yes, this is what I draw for you yesterday. So I want you to know that. I want you to know that this is this one, this place. So let's watch this carefully. The market comes to this level, was at this level yesterday when I did the trend analysis for you. So today, and I told you, you can quickly go back and watch the video of 18th of August. So you will see when I told you that the market show us that the trend line is on the downtrend. You can see this is downtrend. This is what we call downtrend. So as a result of that, the continuation of downtrend continue today. Though we have a quick reversal of uptrend around in the morning. So let's forget about that for now. Thank God for today's market. It was a great one. So let's quickly go do our analysis for tomorrow. So this is how we do it. This is how you do it. So let's draw all necessary. The market is here now at present. Let's go to daily first. Let's go to daily. Let's see what daily looks like. So this is daily market. This is daily market. It was very rangy. So at daily market, there's no much thing we need to draw here because our trend line of yesterday, they are still intact. So there's no more change there. There's no more change. These are resistance level. We break the resistance level here. So it's at another resistance level now, which is this one. So let me just do this. Let me just draw a small trend line there. This is another trend line that I'm drawing now for you. So this is another one here. So I don't want it to I'm not touching. I want to touch the closing, not the not high, but the closing. This is closing. I want to touch the closing of the candle. So though the market is still on, but I believe it will close at that level. So now let me quickly show you the broad view of the daily. So you can see that the broad view of the daily is this one. So we can see that for a long since August, since August 1st of August, the market has been coming down on a lower trend. So let's still have it at the back of the mind. It's two-way channel. It may be up, it may be down, but at present, what I'm seeing at present now is downtrend. So let's go and check 4 hours. Maybe there's a different indications there, different things entirely there. So let's quickly go and do that now. I have 1 minute to end this video. So let's quickly check 4 hours. This is 4 hours. what is happening in 4 hours. So 4 hours is also telling us that is the trend, the candle is at the support resistance level. So at the same time, the 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 trend line, the chart pattern here now is becoming wide. So it's becoming wide out of that narrow before. It was narrow before like this, but now it's becoming more wider because of this movement here today of today, the trend line, the market downtrend of today. So let's be careful. So we have to watch out for the confirmation of the breakout here before we move on selling. And at the same time, we have to check a lower time frame of about 1 hour again to see what is happening. Maybe there's another movement up. So now at the lower time level, this 1 hour, I'm beginning to see a small sign that market is planning to do something here where I circle. So let's watch out for that. That is where our trade will start tomorrow. So let's wait all through the midnight. Let's see what will happen. So if a good chart pattern form in this place, it's good to go. Look at like this place. You can see this one form in the midnight. So it gives us an avenue to trade today. So we quickly cash on the uptrend to buy. Then after the uptrend, end of the uptrend, we move on to the downtrend and we're able to make a profit. So in conclusion, I would like you to watch this video. Is red meal trend line analysis. So you can watch it as many times as possible to know your movement. Maybe the market price action is support of your trade or not. So so in nutshell, in short, kindly subscribe to my YouTube, follow, and you can also trade with me online live tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Share.